In this video, I'll show you how to clean the Dyson Gen5 Outsize Nozzle. Now, if you've used the previous Outsize, this will feel very similar. It's basically the same design, same locking mechanism, same process. This is a quick clean, not a full teardown. We're just removing light dust and buildup using a microfiber towel. If your nozzle is heavily clogged and needs full disassembly, that's a different story. Honestly, if it gets to that point, you're either not cleaning it often enough or you're really putting it through some extreme use. For this method, you only need one thing, a microfiber towel. Both the Gen5 Outsize and older Outsize have this release latch right here. Just pull up the red lever and that unlocks the brush so you can slide it right out. Once it's out, grab your microfiber towel and wipe off any dust or debris on the brush roll. If you see any hair wrap on it, which is actually pretty rare with this model since it handles hair really well, go ahead and remove it right now. Next, move on to the nozzle itself. Focus on this area here. This is where dirt usually builds up. Use your towel to wipe everything down. A trick I like is wrapping the towel around the motor assembly so you can get into those tighter spots, especially behind the clear housing. One thing I like about microfiber is it grabs dust instead of just pushing it around, so you're not making a mess while cleaning. Once everything looks good, slide the brush back in, make sure it's fully seated, then push the red lever back down to lock it in place. And that's it. Quick, simple, and keeps your nozzle running like it should.